Yeah, I was gonna try to vlog this morning, but then we were rushing so hard. I was like, oh.
Really? Y'all going to GE Shore? What the fuck? We're not going to fist bump. We're going to shoot some shit.
Saw the paint
When it?
That was us like an hour ago.
These skies out here. The skies were the. Just here. Yeah, I'm like, huh?
We just hitting the Jersey. You gotta hit Jersey Mike's now. Where we at? Where we at? All right, what are your guesses? What are your guesses?
I say 450 cap.
I'm gonna say
420.
750 because you know what? I believe in you, bro.
What did he say?
750.
420. Come on. Look, here goes the 420. Oh, he missed the 420. Yeah. I was close. Yeah, he got the.
You kind of missed it a little bit though.
Did I?
I think you hit like the edge.
It was 421 beforehand.
Damn it. Only one?
How many punches did you think you're gonna get, bro?
At least two.
Hey, Josh wants that as a stress reliever already. Chill, man.
You do jiu-jitsu.
Yo, it's B&H. That's B&H. Yo, you flying this shit? How's it handling up?
That's what I'm saying. This is like it's like not letting me that much. Looks like it's fighting me.
What lens is that? 85?
28 to 70?
28 to 70. I got the Sony A7 IV with the Sigma 24 to 70. The Road Go. Josh with Canon C70. A whole handheld rig.
And then what's the build time? You guys like that's the only thing we don't know.
So I don't know for sure. I know we're doing Joe's car first, purple car first.
Okay.
I don't know if he's gonna like stop work on Friday because he's done with his car, or if he gets done early at 3 o'clock, is he gonna just start chopping away at the black car? Could be. We're rolling. Yeah. I really just want to tell the story more than anything.
So Nakai-san just arrived here at the Inglewood Porsche dealer in New Jersey.
The process of the car building, usually the first day, most of the visual stuff is done, most of the body work. And then most of the visual stuff is done, and people for the first day, they always think that the car is almost done. But the second day is usually where all the little details, the stance, the fitment, the small stuff like the canards, those are the important bits that bring the car together. So yeah, usually the builds are like that. It's 2 days per car.
Day one, you heard that. The official build starts today. We'll be seeing Nakai-san cut up these Porsches to install that RWB kit on Joe and Roger's car. We're heading down now. It's already pretty busy down there. So yeah, we'll see how it is. Raisin, having the coffee, the gimbal. Oh shit. Shit's falling out. Shit's falling out. Shit's falling. It's raining. That's the trees. They're spitting on us, getting us lubricated. There's inside over there. That's where they're gonna build the cars. And we're in, baby. We're in.
I can make it.
Hey, we're at Porch Englewood for the RWB event. It's my first one. It's pretty sick, man, seeing the Kai-san do his thing. It's really exciting because we've never done wheels for RWB before, and now we're doing 2 back-to-back builds. So we got Joe's car right here, but also we got Roger's car too. So I don't know, it's really exciting. It's kind of overwhelming because it's everything that you see on YouTube and everything. Just watching videos late at night, and now you get to see it in person too. So it's kind of exciting, man. I'm Nico. I'm a technician here over in Englewood, and I'm helping Kai build RWB. It's first build. It's definitely awesome. Seeing how he measures everything, and how he does everything by eye, and how it's all fitting up. It's amazing. Yeah, it's amazing. It's awesome working next to a legend. So technique-wise, what do you say about it? You could tell he's done this a lot, and he knows exactly where to cut and all that. So.
Rodney. I'm Rodney from Evo 61. One of our sponsors and vendors. The guy who built the mastermind behind all these organizations here. It's this guy right here. Thank you very much.
Yeah, so he hand lays the masking tape and then uses his finger to smear it into the glue.